Okay, let's review these. I am so excited. I purchased these and I've been a little bit scared to wear them, but let's do a review on these. Okay, they come in a little box like this. They are called pop-on veneers. They're an alternative to you going to get regular veneers. They send you your molds to bite down on. They send you a toothbrush. You have cleaner, but I've already ran out of cleaner. I have to order some more. And you have a brochure to show you how to clean them. You have a package to hold your molds in, and you have thank you cards from them. And the overall teeth comes in here where you can hold them or whatever. And all you do is just pop them on. Guys, seriously, I hated my teeth. I used to get bullied. I didn't get to go anywhere. I was treated so badly. And look, these are beautiful. You can talk with them. You can eat with them. If you are scared to go to the doctor, get these pop-on veneers. They're a great opportunity. They're a great alternative. And let's smile together.